Let's be real, breaking into cybersecurity can seem pretty frustrating, especially when you're sending out hundreds of resumes and not getting a single response back. If you've been struggling to land your first role, it's not because there aren't enough jobs out there. It's probably because of some common mistakes that's holding you back. Let's break them down. Reason 1, your resume isn't tailored. Sending the same generic resume to every single job, big mistake. Employers want to see that you know what you are applying for. Highlight skills and experience that's directly related to the job. Whether it's GRC, SOC or HIPAA, always include the right keywords in your job description. Reason 2, you are overlooking entry-level roles. A lot of people aim too high too fast, applying for senior positions that they're not really ready for yet. Start with beginner-friendly roles like GRC Analyst or SOC Analyst. These jobs are designed to help you build your foundation and grow over time. Reason 3, you lack practical experience. Employers care about what you do and how you do it, not just with what you have learned. Even if you're new to the field, you can show off your experience through labs, projects, and certifications. For example, creating a risk assessment or setting up a compliance framework during a training program can really go a long way. Reason 4, you're not showing off your transferable skills. Don't underestimate the skills that you've gained in other fields. Worked in customer service? That's communication and problem solving. Managed projects? That's organization. Employers value these skills, especially in roles like GRC, where teamwork and clear communication is the key. Reason 5, and this one's really important, you are not networking. Guys, this one is huge. Many cybersecurity jobs aren't even posted online. Networking with professionals in the field, attending webinars, or even joining online communities can help you discover hidden opportunities and get valuable advice. Reason number 6, you are skipping certifications. Certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or CISSP can help you stand out. They're proof that you are serious about entering the cybersecurity field and that you have the knowledge to actually back it up. Reason number 7, you are underestimating the competition. Cybersecurity is a booming field and therefore it's super competitive. If you're not investing in the right skills and continuously learning, someone else will take the job that you are aiming for. Here's the good news. Each and every single one of these mistakes can be fixed. Start tailoring your resume. Get hands-on experience with training and projects. Build connections in the field and focus on entry-level jobs that align with your skills. The cybersecurity industry is booming with opportunities, and the demand for entry-level GRC roles have never been higher. If you're ready to take action, click the link down below and sign up to our weekly newsletter. We'll give you the tips, tools, and strategies to help you get started in cybersecurity. Make a choice now. Let's make it happen.